Hi friends, welcome back my channel. Today we discuss about the basic components of electronics. If you like to watch videos related to electronics, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. So the first component is resistor. In circuit we use resistor for voltage drop. This is the fixed resistor. Next is the pot. This is the variable resistor. In circuit we use a variable resistor to control the sound. The next component is the capacitor. In circuit, we use capacitor for energy storage. These three components are passive components. Next, we see the active components. Active component, first component is the transistor. In various amplifier circuit, we use the transistor. Next is PN junction diode. The PN junction diode is used in rectifier to convert AC into DC. The next component is the LED. It is the light emitting diode. This component used in circuit for output indication. The last component is battery. This is the 9-volt battery. Use of this battery to power up the various electronic circuit. And next is this is the piece of wires to connect the components. So these all are basic components of electronics. So next we discuss detail about these all components. Let's learn for basic better understand. This resistor is also called as a carbon resistor because the carbon composite material is used to make this type of resistor. So this resistor is also called as a carbon resistor. The next component of this video is the variable resistor. This is the symbol of variable resistor and how it look like. This is the variable resistor. The value of the resistor is given here. This is the 10 kilo ohm resistor. Okay. Also it known as a potentiometer. This is the 3-terminal resistor. Here the 3 terminals you can see. This type of resistor used in circuit for volume control, sound control in various tape records. Next basic component is the capacitor. So this is the electrolyte capacitor. It is 2-terminal component. This type of capacitor has a polarity positive and negative. In next video we see how to identify the terminal of this capacitor. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. This is the capacitor. The value of this capacitor is printed on the package. Here you can watch. This is the 100 microfarad 25 volt capacitor. This is the symbol of capacitor. So these all three components are the passive components. Next we see the active components of electronics. The first component is the transistor. This is the 3-terminal component. Here you can see the symbol. base, emitter and collector are the three terminals of transistor. So here the three terminals. Next component is the diode. This is the PN junction diode. In circuit, diode used to convert AC energy into DC power. So this is the diode. This is the symbol of diode, PN junction diode. It has two terminals, anode and cathode. So how to identify the terminal of this diode, we will see in next video. The next component is the PN. The circuit, for indication purpose in circuit we use the LED. This is the light emitting diode, LED. This is the real LED. It is two terminal component. The circuit symbol of LED is shown here. The next component, to power up the circuit, we use the battery. This is the battery, 9 volt. Here the voltage is given. Let's see the terminal. This is the two terminal. This is the battery connector. You need to purchase separately. Then in this way you can connect the terminal. So you can connect this two terminal to the circuit. This is the positive terminal, this is negative terminal. This is you can connect to the circuit for power of the circuit. So there is some piece of wire you can use in circuit to connect the components. So I hope you understand all the basic components, how actually looks like. In next video we learn about how to identify the terminal of transistor, diode, LED, capacitor and pot. And thanks for watching.